Wait, is that a R34?
Is the rigging secure on your end? Almost. Easy now, almost there. Clear the...
I've found it. The Skyline. Send extraction immediately to my location, and I'm sending the coordinates now.
Wait, is that a R34?
Buried out here? No way.
It looks completely gone.
Is the rigging secure on your end? Almost. Clear the brush by the wheel well. Watch that tension line.
All right, the chassis frame looks compromised everywhere else, but this section here is solid. We'll secure the straps right here for the crane lift.
Hook's engaged. Tension looks good.
All right, crane, slowly lift. Lifting now. Watch the chains. Easy now, almost there. Clear the chains. Set it down, slowly. Lowering now, watch your hands. It's down. Secure the binders. Tightening the rear straps. All right, bring it up easy. Clear on this side. Watch the back end, watch the back end. A little more to the right. Okay, bring it down, down. Clear on my side.
The chassis corrosion is extensive. We're looking at a full strip down.
The engine bay is a mess. Wiring harness.
The rust is extensive, especially around the turbochargers. We're looking at a full rebuild, but I think this RB26 can be saved.
Right here on the chassis rail. See that crack?
Yeah, that's significant. Noted for the welding team.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the mount on the right.
Got it. Looks aligned now.